Your mechanical keyboard is your trusty companion, whether you're gaming, working, or typing. But over time, dust, crumbs, and grime can build up. Today, I'll show you how to clean your keyboard easily without needing fancy tools. Let's get started. Cleaning your keyboard isn't just for looks. Here's why. Improved typing experience. A clean keyboard is smoother and more responsive. Longer lifespan. Reducing buildup prevents wear on switches. Better hygiene keyboards can harbor germs. Keeping it clean is healthier. Grab these essentials: keycap puller or a paperclip, soft brush or paintbrush, microfiber cloth, compressed air, optional, mild soap and water, and a towel for drying. Step-by-step guide cleaning your keyboard. Step 1. Power down and unplug. Always unplug your keyboard first to avoid accidents. If wireless, turn it off and remove the batteries. Step 2. Remove the keycaps. Use the keycap puller to remove each key gently. Start with smaller sections like the arrow keys for practice. Keep the keycaps in a bowl to stay organized. Soak the keycaps in warm soapy water for 20 to 30 minutes to loosen grime. Then, scrub gently with a soft brush and rinse thoroughly. Let them dry on a towel. Use a brush or compressed air to clear debris from the keyboard base. Dampen a microfiber cloth with water and wipe the surface. Avoid the switches. Once keycaps are dry, place them back on. Test each key to make sure it's working. A couple of quick things. Don't skip drying. Wet keycaps can damage circuits. Avoid harsh chemicals, stick to mild soap and water, and take a layout photo. It helps when putting keycaps back. Keep your keyboard in top shape with these simple habits. Wash your hands before typing. Don't eat or drink near the keyboard. And dust weekly with a brush or compressed air. And there you go. Your mechanical keyboard is now clean and ready for action. Whether you're gaming, typing, or working, a clean keyboard makes a big difference. Enjoy your clean keyboard. And maybe treat yourself to a snack. Just not over the keys.